Audio Jungle. 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 Audio Jungle.
Welcome. To replace the screen in the first scene of the retro TV, go to the Project panel and open the folder called 1 Edit Comps. Double-click on Placeholder 1. This will open a composition with the TV screen's 4:3 aspect ratio. Here, you can insert an image, video, text, anything you want, and it will appear on the TV screen. For the purposes of this tutorial, we'll be using videos. You can drag and drop your content directly from your file manager into the composition. Once imported, you can freely move, scale, and position it to fit. The size of this composition exactly matches the screen area of the TV. In the same way, you can replace the screen content in the remaining scenes, Scene 2 and Scene 3, which correspond to the compositions Placeholder 2 and Placeholder 3. The template is loopable, which means you can render multiple versions with different screen content and combine them together to create longer clips. As shown in the preview, 3 clips with different screen content were combined, resulting in a 26-second video featuring 9 scenes in total. That's everything you need to know about this template. Thank you for watching.
And see you next time.